Sian ydw i, dwi'n artist ac dwi'n byw yn Llanfairfechan. Yr hysbrydoliaeth yn dod pan dwi'n wedi weld Ordnance Survey map, ac ar y map, coedwig bach, the little hillocks and the woods that appear on the flat landscape and traeth mawr are still called ynysoedd, that the sea would have flowed right up. That was my key inspiration. Dwi'n mwynhau yn creu efo proses o defnyddiau porthlain a latex. Efo'r golau, mae'n posib I weld trwy'r y porthlain. A really important element of the grant is obviously the Welsh language and culture. And as I'm a Welsh learner, I wanted to really take that on board, really make use of the opportunity to develop my language skills further. Doing grateful, very grateful to have this opportunity I gael cyfle I ymarfer fy Nghymraeg efo sgwrs efo chi and a dipyn bach o patience hefyd, which I'm really grateful for.